My friends, I would like to introduce our second innovative product, which has been developed in India, 100% indigenous, but I cannot say that this has been inspired by an Italian product called Nilma vegetable washer. We were working on a lot of research work, and we wanted to make a first vegetable washer ozone based, which was totally 100% indigenous, but we can say that we were the first one to introduce a ozone vegetable washer, which is a uniqueness. So after washing the vegetables in this vegetable washer, you can wash vegetables, you can wash poultry, you can wash mutton, chicken, everything. But this is a product which is totally designed with all the requirement of hotels and restaurants, and the most affordable. This has got a convenience of lifting the basket after washing cycle. Water is recycled and not wasted. I would like you to see the mechanism of this equipment. Why don't you show them that how the basket is lifted? See, this comes almost at 90 degree. So after the basket is lifted, entire washer rinse all the water back to the tank. So water wastage is not there. Once comes in this shape, all the vegetables and fruits are removed, and then basket goes back inside the tank. So water wastage is totally zero. Only when the water is dirty, then the water has to be rinsed. So supply point has been provided through the tap, and rinsing system is connected to the drain pipes. And if you see the design, we try to innovate this design based on piano design. It really looks like a piano, and because of the ozone, we have a small transparent lid so that ozone is not affecting to the human person who is operating the machine. Thank you.